Okay, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is look at what we're doing today. I can complete the assignment creating a schedule that includes classes, work, study, and sleep time. Here's the assignment link. So I'm going to open that up to show you what that looks like. Maybe. Okay, sorry, technical difficulty. So here is what the assignment looks like. We're going to use Saginaw Valley State University as our college because their website was the most easily accessible for us when I went through them. So here is a list of classes that you might take in your first year as a freshman in college. Here are some options for work hours. I will specifically tell you which classes you as an individual are taking and the number of work hours that you will be taking. Now this is just for the people who are online. This is not for the people in the classroom right now. If you are online, you need to do the following classes because you're not here for me to tell you. You need to do Math 103. You need to do Bio 105. English 103. And let's put you in Japanese because why not? Those are the 4 classes that you need to take as a freshman if you are online and at home right now. The rest of you in the room, I will tell you individually, okay? All right, so if you are at home and you are working online, you also need to work 15 hours in your week. And again, those of you here, I will tell you your individual one. Below, I've created a schedule for you. It's not perfect, but I've created a schedule outline for you so you can plug in all your information. I'm going to show you an example schedule, if it'll open, and it did. So this is mine that I pretended with the other day, and these are the classes that I chose, and this is the number of hours that I would work. And so there I plugged in my schedule. Notice I have sleep in here, I have work, I have when I'll study, the classes that I have to attend and when. I also have relax time in here too because we all have to have that time where we're not doing anything, right? Where you're watching Netflix or playing on TikTok or whatever it is that you do, watching game, film, whatever. So you got to have all that in here, and this has to be realistic. You can't have yourself sleeping for 4 hours a day. Okay, that's not realistic. That's not sustainable. So you have to make sure that you have enough study time. You have to make sure that you're working. You're obviously not working in 2-hour increments is not realistic. There's nowhere that's going to let you work for 2 hours, go home, and come back in the afternoon for another hour. Okay? Most places have you work a 4-hour shift or more. It's important to know. So it's got to be realistic. So how are you going to do this? Well, when you get your classes, or those of you online, you have your classes, you're going to go to the SVSU course catalog. You'll notice that it has all these different types of classes here. I believe the first one was math, which is mathematical sciences, located here. You'll click it, and the different math classes are all here. I believe it was math 103. So we will look. Oh, math 103 is here. You click available sections because there's obviously more than one math 103. Here it will tell you the sections. This one you can go Monday, Wednesday from 2:30 to 4:20. This one's Tuesday, Thursday, 8:30 to 10:20. So they have all these different options for times that you can go. You have to pick one and put it in your schedule. When you're done, you can go back to course catalog and do your next class. Say it was biology, right? Whichever bio, 104, 105, whichever one it is, you click available sections and do the same thing. You have to put that on your schedule. I also provided a video for you here on how to find your classes. I don't know, I guess I didn't know if we were going to be back or not here, so that's why I put that video on there. So if you want to skip all this mumbo jumbo and go right to how to find your classes, you know, if you're in face-to-face, there's a video for you too. So you're going to complete that college schedule. Notice on my schedule how you can see the difference, right? Work is italicized. The classes are bold. Study is underlined. Sleep is normal. Relax is in blue. Please make sure that you make this easy for me to read. Because if it seems complicated, your grade will reflect that. One more thing I wanted to say. These times are not perfect. So if a class, like I think my Japanese class, starts at 12:30, well, I'm still going to put it in the 12 o'clock slot because chances are I'll have to get there, 10, 20 minutes early, right, to get a good seat. So I'll put it in the 12 o'clock slot. Any questions about that? Okay, well, good luck on your schedule, and if you need anything, email me.